teke. Unachapa alafu unatoa. Teke chapa. Chapa kitu na nguvu.
Moving on, I said what I said and I did not stutter. Those are Caroline Mutoko's words after being bashed by netizens, or KOT as they call it, for some comments that she made in regards to public service vehicles being on the expressway. This is after the Mlolongo incident that happened on Monday. So let's just take a look at what Caroline had to say.
You will not get me to back down on one thing. Having PSVs on the expressway without insisting that they have speed governors is courting trouble. It is courting trouble. And this cannot be about the vehicle. This is about the passengers. Here's my question to you. From the time you get onto the expressway, you've already saved almost half an hour to an hour. Arakani anini unaenda wapi? Even if you get onto the expressway at ABC and your final destination is Mlolongo, traveling at 80 or 90, you're still going to be there in 15 minutes, which means the same distance on the normal highway would have taken you what? An hour? You're still doing it in 15. What's your problem? Slow down. And here's the other thing I'm going to say on this video. I hope somebody today is working on punitive fines for the expressway. I hope. And I hope those fines look like 20 G's, 10 G's. Because we can't be trusted to behave.
Okay, now let's talk beauty. Now anyone can go to any extent to make themselves feel or look more beautiful or comfortable or even happy. Now Annalisa Mugai was previously trolled on allegations of her undergoing a cosmetic procedure in order to get that snatched body, of which she actually disassociated herself with the claims. But there's one particular procedure that she says, yes, I did this, and Paris Mbugu is going to tell us what procedure that is.
Annalisa Mugai has revealed that she has had a little cosmetic work done on her body. The 34-year-old explained that her gums used to be dark, but she was not feeling it and went on to have a makeover. This was after a fan asked her on Instagram, "Hi girl, don't get me wrong. I have been following you since you were not even on Instagram. Please do not get offended, but nime notice your gum color changed. Is it true ama ni filter? Niko na dark gum na sipendi. It is totally okay, but you don't want to answer. It's all love." To which she responded saying, "I even forgot about the change. Hello dear, that's an old picture. LOL. No, it's totally fine to ask. Yes, I did change my gum color." Annalisa then went ahead to share a video of herself smiling, adding that her mom loved her gums dark and she still wishes her daughter had not changed the original color. She, however, did not reveal where she had the change done from or how much it cost. For E! News, I am Paris Mbugu.
Now, in the music scene, the self-proclaimed chairman of gospel music, that is Ringtone Mutoko, has stated that, you know what, adios to gospel music, yani he's no longer doing gospel music. He has transitioned to another theme of music. So here's what to look out for from Ringtone.
Nataka kuchukua hii nafasi kuthank wale watu ambao wote wamenisupport kwa gospel music. Hii nimekuwa nikimba for this time na sasa imefika mwisho. Nimeamua nianze kuimba ma love songs. So naomba muendelee kunisupport, na wale wasanii ambao wanaimba ma love songs naomba msinione kama competition, msifeel threatened. To work pamoja ndio tuweze kufikisha muziki mahali inafaa kufika. So bye bye gospel industry.
So yeah, tusubiria nyimbo za mapenzi from Ringtone from now onwards. I'm really curious to hear what kind of music he's going to produce, and I'm sure you are too. Anyway, we are calling it around